In this video, you'll learn how to create a landing page in Lovable. By following these steps, you will be able to set up an effective landing page tailored to your needs. Begin by navigating to the Movable website, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Lovable. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface, which includes various options and features available for creating projects. Next, locate the section labeled, "What should we build?" This can usually be found prominently on the home page. Click on this section to initiate the process of developing your landing page. After that, a prompt will appear asking for input. Type in "create a landing page" into the input field, provided this action helps the system understand your request and tailor the output accordingly. Once you have entered your request, click on the enter button to proceed. This will submit your input and lead you to a new screen where you will see information regarding the landing page structure and relevant documentation. At this point, you will see a message stating "reviewing landing page structure and Lovable docs." This indicates that the system is processing your request and gathering the necessary information. Next, you will receive a message confirming that creating a landing page in Lovable is simple. This serves as an introduction to the following steps in the process. Following this, you will be prompted to describe what you want for your landing page. Take a moment to outline your ideas clearly, as this will guide the design and functionality of your page. Then you will have the opportunity to iterate on your ideas. This is an important step where you can refine your initial concepts based on feedback or additional thoughts. After refining your ideas, use the visual editing tools available in Lovable to enhance your landing page. This feature allows you to modify design elements easily and see changes in real time. When you are satisfied with the edits, the next step is to publish your landing page. Click on the publish button to make your page live and accessible to your audience. Following this, you will need to click on build a demo landing page. This option will help you visualize the final product before it goes live. Once you click on build a demo landing page, press enter again to confirm your action. This will initiate the building process, which may take a moment. Next, click on reviewing design, scope and requirements. This will allow you to ensure that all aspects of your landing page meet your expectations. Finally, all that is left to do is wait for the landing page to be created. The system will process your request and you will receive a notification once the page is fully set up. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.